Good evening everyone. In this small video, we are going to tell you about our automobile tracker project. So let's begin. As you can see, this is the list of components which we are using in this project. This is Neo 6M GPS module. This is MPU 6050. This is GPS antenna. This will be SIM 800L. This will be its SIM antenna. This is 16 MHz oscillator. This will be the Atmega 328P microcontroller. This is the voltage regulator, and there are some other small devices as well. Coming on to the hardware working of our project. First, the MPU 6050 senses the 3D orientation and other motion related parameters of itself and share the data to the microcontroller. The GPS outputs NMEA data, coordinates and all, and sends it to the microcontroller. Then the microcontroller determines the temperature, orientation and other parameters of the device. Coming on to the software working of our project. SIM 800L shares the microcontroller data to the remote user in the form of SMS to the mobile phone. Now SMS service Zapier is used to mail that SMS to the specified email address. This data is then uploaded on the spreadsheet which will be used by our mobile app. This is the circuit diagram of our project.
The tracker is in sleep mode to conserve battery. In order to get location data, we have to make a call to the number used in SIM module. This call will not be picked and can be disconnected. After disconnecting the call, tracker will send a text message to your mobile from the same number containing the data about location and temperature of the tracker. This data is now sent to user's personal email and to Zapier web app using an Android application SMS forwarder. Now we can open our tracker application. User can double tap the blue button to get location on the map. User can also zoom in or zoom out to get the exact location of the tracker. Coordinates and the Google Map link for location is also shown in the app. We can tap on the Maps button to open Google Maps for easier navigation. Here we can see the red marker currently showing the location of our tracker. The blue marker is showing location using GPS of our mobile phone. The tracker displays location with about 5 to 10 meters of accuracy. Inside our app, there is also an emergency notifier which will turn red in case of any emergency like overheating or accidents. And the list in the bottom of the app will show the history of all the trackings. This is the personal email of user receiving all the text messages. Each message contains latitude, longitude and temperature of the device embedded in a string. For every call, a new email is received. The email service is connected to Zapier app which can access emails from the tracker only. Now we need to extract the data from the string. For this, Zapier uses another service called an email parser. Now the email parser uses some predefined rules to extract the latitude, longitude and temperature from the string. Here you can see the extracted variables inside the parser. This data is now sent back to Zapier. This location data is stored in a Google spreadsheet which can be accessed by our mobile application. The data is then displayed on the map inside our application. In case of fire or an accident, the device will notify user by calling from an emergency number. The emergency button in the application will also turn red. Here, tilting of the device replicates falling of a two-wheeler during an accident.